guys! Welcome to my channel, Nanny Quiz! Today, we're playing your favorite game, Choose Your Gift Box. Are you excited? Well, you should be because it's gonna be fun. But hey, quick shout out, comment superstar alert. We are pinning the best comment of the day. So keep those comments coming and you might be in the spotlight next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun, more quizzes and even more challenges you love. Alright, let the fun begin.
Choose your Crocs. Classic, comfy or colorful fun. Choose your private jet. Luxe vibes or business class, boss? Choose your flowers, elegant roses or wild blooms. Choose your footwear, comfy slides or stylish kicks. Choose your pet, furry, feathery or fluffy. Choose your Starbucks cup, iced magic or warm comfort. Choose your toilet paper, silky smooth or eco chic. Choose your donuts, sugar dusted or filled surprise. Choose your dress, flowy and soft or bold and fitted. Choose your sunglasses, retro glam or futuristic cool. Choose your macarons, pastel perfection or rich flavor. Choose your castle, royal vibes or modern palace. Choose your jacket, puffy, cozy or leather cool. Choose your hairstyle, sleek bob or wild curls. Choose your dinner, 5-star fancy or comfort food delight. Choose Choose your pasta, creamy Alfredo or spicy arrabbiata. Choose your handbag, designer drama or cute classic. Choose your lipstick, glossy glam or matte magic. Choose your wallet, compact chic or colorful bold. Choose your sneakers, street style or sporty kicks. Choose your birthday cake, rainbow layers or chocolate dream. Choose your cottage, forest fairy tale or beach escape. Choose your stairs, spiral wonder or sleek style. Choose your burger, double stacked or spicy treat. Choose your watch, timeless elegance or modern tech. Choose your boots, strut strong or stay stylish. Choose your candles, sweet scent or cozy glow. Choose your dog, fluffy friend or loyal protector. Choose your bracelet, dainty charm or bold spark.
You like it? Smash that like, drop a comment below, share it with your bestie, and don't forget to subscribe.